What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video. Um, in this video, I'm going to touch on trying to fill your slots as quickly as possible and the different strategies that you should take um, to maximize your uploading slots and just maximizing your account and taking advantage of the new rules for merch and the new tools and new things that merch is doing. Um, so first one thing I'm gonna talk about is as far as how to do that when it comes to the design process, right? And then I want to talk about how to do that when it comes to the uploading process and as far as what we should do as far as that. So design and upload. So first, I guess I'll talk about upload before I talk about design, because I want to stretch to you guys a few things. So let's open up my merch account, right? So if you have a shit ton of uploads, right? So I have 40 a day. Now there are people that have 400 a day. And we want to make sure that we upload as many as we can, and so we can maximize our profits. Correct. So the first thing first is I want to say is in the beginning, just upload designs, man. Don't do not um do not upload to all of um these other products, and I'm gonna tell you why. But the reason why I say don't upload onto other products, unless it's like a day where you can't knock out the design and you just want to make sure you do your uploads right. Those are days that's fine. Upload to other shit, right? Um, that's cool. But when it's days that you can crank out your whole thing, like I'm tier 1,000, so I get 1,000. I mean 40 uploads a day, right? So when I'm trying to maximize my uploads, I only want to do standard T-shirts because the simple fact is now Amazon is by itself. I wish I can show you guys because on my managed page, but Amazon is uploading to other marketplaces by itself. So you're gonna use their auto uploader, and you're gonna use your 40 uploads a day. So that's what I've been doing. Is I just crank out designs because they're putting them in other marketplaces by themselves on my account. I don't know about everybody else's account, but eventually they're gonna be auto uploading if they haven't already because they've been doing it like crazy on my account. So I've been maximizing my uploads by just simply uploading only designs because sometimes they put them on other um, garments for me, you know. So I just want you to be mindful of that. So you want to make sure that you can put as many designs as you can before this Q4 starts. So my advice to you is do designs, designs, designs because you want to hit your 80% threshold. One, and two, Amazon is going to keep auto uploading your stuff from the one design you already uploaded. So you want to do it like that. You want to crank out designs, crank out, crank out, crank out designs. So that's my advice for you to maximize them when it comes to uploading. And another part of the uploading process, if you have a design, right, why not just upload it one time on a white shirt, one time on a blue shirt, one time on a gray shirt, one time on a purple shirt? Now that's four designs, That equals four designs now. So that's another way to do it. So let me show you guys on Photoshop another way to maximize doing the same thing, right? So I got up my merch journey just to give you guys an example. Okay, so this will be one design, right? So now let's switch the font, right? Then that's another design. right? Upload this too, my merch journey, right? That's another design. Move this down here. Of course I'm not reshaping. I'm just giving you guys example. I don't need this shit to look beautiful for you guys. I just want to give you guys an example of, what to do as far as uploading and making this shit, efficient, and making sure you're hitting your thresholds every day to maximize your chances. And, merch is a numbers game. I try to put it in context as it's like what do you call that? A raffle ticket, right? If I only buy one raffle ticket and I'm in there, what are my chances of getting pulled? But if I got 100 raffle tickets, you know, what are my chances? So you just want to keep improving your chances on converting a sale. So, I know that this graphic is something that sells a lot on Amazon. Anything that has to do with dinosaurs, T Rexes, fucking sell like crazy on Amazon. So you want to maximize this one great graphic to be a bunch of different designs. So, there's that. You can move this around. You can keep changing the font. You could do 100 different fonts, and boom, you already, you know, like that. So, or if I wanted to change colors, um, of this graphic, okay, this is how easy this is, right? So, uh, it's that. Anybody wondering about how much Photoshop is? Um, I pay a subscription. It's like $30 a month. I think I use one of my. I mean, whew, let me reword that for that get me in trouble. I use my girl's. She's in college, so you kind of get a discount when you're in college and stuff. So yeah, it's only $30 a month. I don't know how much it is without it, but I'm sure it's not over $50. It's definitely worth it. I get Photoshop and Premiere and like every app that Adobe has. So um, definitely a good investment. But anyway, back to changing the color on this dinosaur. Um, so say this is one design, this color, right? Say I want it to be actually blue. So I'm gonna rasterize that. This little paint bucket right here, and I could just change the color right to this. Let's do blue for this one. Boom. This is another design, right? This is a whole nother design. Now I have another design that's quality because I just switched the colors, right? So that's one color, right? Oh, okay. Well, I want a red one. This is another design. Boom, 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 boom. It's this simple. It's really this fucking simple. Oops. If I fuck up, just undo. This is how I maximize my designs. So now I got a red one, right? Okay, maybe I want to change the color of this candy thing. Okay. Maybe I want a lime green candy. Oh, this ain't even candy. I'm tripping. This is like a, I don't know what the fuck this is that he's holding. To be honest, this is like a back to school T Rex thing. But I'll just give you guys an example of how I maximize and how I get done with my daily uploads so fucking fast, right? And all I do is, make sure that um, I make sure that I am editing the design in the right specs so I can upload it immediately on Amazon. So you just make sure you take away the color and, export PNG just so you can have it easy. I mean, there's other ways to export it, but this is the quick way to do it. You know, boom, T Rex, boom, and I can upload it, right? So then, to show you an example of what I was talking about earlier, is Damn, it's about to show all my designs. It's okay. So boom, boom, upload it, right? So now for this very one design, sometimes I only do one color. If I'm being lazy, I put all the colors. If I got time, I'm definitely putting this on a bunch of different colors. So, you know, you can, let's see, unselect none, and then put it on a black t-shirt, right? And then upload the same design on the white t-shirt, right? That's two designs. Then upload it on a blue, and then, that's how you maximize your uploads. Stop having days where you're not completing your thresholds, man. Um, Maximize your money, maximize your odds, and man, fill up these slots. This Q4's coming, man. Get in your bag. Spend some time. Spend less time bullshitting. Get it in. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I hope this helps you out. Um, uh, Make sure you guys check out my last few videos in the last couple days on how to get fonts and a few other tips and stuff I have. Just check it out. Hit that sub button if you fucking with me. Fuck up the comment section. Let me know something. Let me know something. Let me know what you guys need so I can provide it for you guys to help you guys out with anything you need to learn or just a perspective on something or just anything. Just let me know and I'll make videos on it. And man, till next time.